Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox crashing or freezing on Windows. First, make sure Roblox is fully closed. Now, right-click on the Windows Start button and click Run. In the Run box, type %local app data % and press Enter. A folder will open on your screen. Inside this folder, look for the Roblox folder. Once you find it, right-click on it and click Delete. This will clear the Roblox cache and remove temporary files that can cause crashes. After deleting the folder, you need to uninstall Roblox. Right-click the Windows Start button again and open Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Roblox. When Roblox Player appears, click the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall and wait for it to finish. Once Roblox is removed, open your browser and go to roblox.com/download. Click on Download Windows app and install Roblox again. After installation, right-click on the Roblox icon and choose Run as administrator. This can help if Roblox was crashing due to permission issues. If Roblox is still freezing, update your graphics drivers. Open the app for your graphics card, such as NVIDIA app or AMD software. Go to the Drivers section and check for updates. Download and install the latest driver if one is available. When the update is complete, restart your computer and launch Roblox again. This should fix most crashing and freezing problems. Thanks for watching.